So I've been riding electric for a few years now. Dirt bikes, e-motos, scooters, a little bit of everything. And for the most part, I did something genuinely dumb without even thinking about it. I rode without mirrors. Every lane change, every turn, I'd twist around just to see, what was behind me. I'd always be looking over my shoulder just to check. These are the Pidzoom mirrors, and I think they might be the highest value thing that you can probably bolt onto your PEV. They showed up like this, nothing fancy, good packaging, but everything's protected and both mirrors come as a pair. You're not buying two separately, which is how some brands get you. First thing I noticed picking them up, clamp is metal, not plastic. That matters more than it sounds. Everything is quality on these. Install is as genuinely as easy as about it gets, which is why I really kind of sped this up for you guys. There's not a lot to show. Clamp just goes around, you just snug it down with the bolt. That's it. No wiring, drilling, nothing crazy. Start to finish, both mirrors, just a few minutes. Adjusting them is also really cool. You can see in a clip I'll show right here in a moment. You can actually adjust them at the arm, it pivots, at the head it pivots also. So you can also really just dial it in. I really like being able to adjust these to kind of just see anywhere. Great mirrors. Out on the trails where I honestly wasn't sure how they'd hold up. This is a real test, honestly, just because of the bumps and all of that. Vibration, right? So rough ground shakes everything on the bike. If the mirror can't hold steady, then it doesn't matter, right? It's just decoration. But as you can see on the riding footage, everything holds pretty darn steady here. They also just look right on the bike. Low profile, kind of tucked in. They stick out a bit, but really not much. It's purely cosmetic, but they look great. If you ride anything and you don't have mirrors, go fix that. Pidzoom hooked the viewers up with a discount. The code and the link are down in the description. Check it out. Ride safe, guys. These things are awesome. Just get them if you need them. I'm going to throw some on the Drax and all my other e-motos soon. MAXAPACITY out.